So this is day 3 of our fix and flip. It is a Sunday, so we're really not doing much work, but if you do get to a Sunday, what you want to do is at least a little bit of work if you have some time. And what I mean by that is you need to go do some research or ordering of material that you may need. For example, this is an older house and we have to replace the shower trim in the master bath. That is a very old Moen shower body valve that has a standard valve. There is very few discussions or choices for trim kits for that specific valve. And we wanted everything in that bathroom, and that master bathroom is brushed nickel. And that was chrome, and it was a chrome with the acrylic plastic knob. And what we're trying to do is a little bit of upgrade of the home and make it look, like it was done with forethought and planning and design, so where everything matches. So we're trying to get rid of that cheap acrylic handle and upgrade that and upgrade the spout. But finding that correct discussion that would fit that has proven to be a challenge, especially one that is reasonably priced. When we do a renovation, and I think when you should do a renovation, you want to find the least expensive items you can that look good. That's the key. Least expensive that looks good. That includes light fixtures, faucets, shower body trims, flooring, everything that you should do in that house. You want it to look good, but you want to spend the least amount of money as possible. For example, that kitchen faucet that I showed in the previous video looks good. It had high ratings. It was like $60. That's a good deal. Looks good, has high ratings, and will function. So that's what we want to do. So what I'm recommending to you on a Sunday or on a day that you're not at the site, do the research and call around to get bids for items that you need. For example, we also have replaced that glass, and that vinyl glazing bead that holds the glass in on those aluminum frames has proven to be a bit difficult to find. Now, I think I found them, but it took some research. And it's that kind of stuff that you need to do when you have a down day. Anyways, this is day 3, Sunday. So we're not doing a lot, but we do want to do some research and ordering material.